tried to zoom in as much as possible. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my everyday winged liner, okay? So this is what I use. It is the e.l.f. It is just their regular liquid liner. The brush looks like that. I like to use this type of brush because it's a flexible tip. I do not like using that harder, stiffer tip. I definitely feel like you get a lot better precision and glide with this one. Okay, this is like maybe $3 or $4 at the drugstore. I absolutely love it. Okay, so what I like to do is I take it out and then I like to wipe a little bit of the excess off. Get me a little mirror. And how I like to do is I like to tilt my head back and kind of look down when I'm doing it. I feel like that way I can really make sure I'm getting right into the base of my eyes. So what I do is I start in the middle and just do a little line like that. Then I go back over the line and then I extend out to my wing. Like that. So you definitely want to make sure with your wing that it connects down to the lower, like your lower eyelid, that is just basically a straight line down from there. Then I turn my head and then I just do small little lines to connect to the inner part of my eye. And then I just go over the whole thing to make sure that it's even. And that's it. Quick and easy. Honestly, since I've been doing it this way, you know, doing like the small little lines instead of trying to do one line straight across, I feel like it's a lot easier to get it even that way. I love how it looks. And of course, this is what I do for every day. I don't do like a super huge wing. If you like a super huge wing, then basically once you get the one line across, you can just kind of keep adding to it to make it more bold and dramatic to your liking. But this is just how I like my wing to be.